Now, the Winter Olympics. Winter Olympics include sports that are practiced and played on snow and ice. These are held separately due to their geographical and climatic requirements. The first Winter Olympic was held in Chamonix, France in 1924. It's Chamonix. It started with its sports, namely bobsleigh, curling, ice hockey, Nordic skiing, and skating. Winter Olympics games were held regularly at an interval of 4 years until 1936. In 1936, okay, and after which they were disrupted by World War II, the Olympics could resume only in 1948. In 1986, the International Olympic Committee decided to host Summer and Winter Olympics separately and place them in alternating even-numbered years. This change became effectively only for the 1994 Games held in Norway. Until 1992, Summer and Winter Olympics were held in same year. After the 1992 Winter Olympics, these games were held again in 1994 and became the first Winter Olympics to be held separately from Summer Games. The venues where these games were held since 1924 have been given here. So 1924 it was hosted by France, 1928 Switzerland, 1932 United States, 1936 Germany, 1948 Switzerland, 1952 Norway, 1956 Italy, 1960 United States, 1964 Austria, 1968 France, 1972 Japan, 1976 Austria again. Then the other years are 1980 United States hosted it, 1984 Yugoslavia, 1988 Canada, 1992 France, 1994 Norway, 1998 Japan, 2002 United States, 2006 Italy, 2010 Canada, 2014 Russia, 2018 South Korea, and 2022 China. But we are all in pandemic. Let's see what happens. Okay, so here the following games were played in 2014 Winter Games. Olympics were held in Sochi, Russia. Alpine skiing, biathlon, bobsleigh, cross-country skiing, curling, figure skating, freestyle skiing, ice hockey, luge, Nordic combined, short track speed skating, skeleton, sky jumping, snowboard, speed skating. In India, we have a very less place with ice, right? So let's see when we start our winter sports. Australia, Canada, France, Great Britain, Finland, Hungary, Italy, Norway, Poland, Sweden, Switzerland, United States are the 12 countries participate regularly in each Winter Olympic Games. Norway holds the maximum number of gold medals in Winter Olympics. 2018 Winter Olympics were held in Pyeongchang, South Korea from February 9th to February 25th, 2018. In these games, competitions were organized in events over 15 sports disciplines. A total of 2,914 athletes from 92 countries took part in these games. Norway won maximum number of medals 39, followed by Germany 31 and Canada 29. Team of host country South Korea won 17 medals only. Now about summer. So let's see about summer. Since the year 1924, the Olympic tournament was divided into two segments. A was Summer Olympics, also known as the Olympic Games or Olympiad, and B was Winter Olympics. As mentioned earlier, both games were held in the same year till 1992. However, the International Olympic Committee (IOC) decided that the Olympiad and Winter Olympics would be conducted alternatively at an interval of 2 years. The Olympiad is held during the summer season and hence also known as Summer Olympics. Over the years, the number of countries participating in these games have increased considerably. A total of 207 countries participated in 2016 Rio Olympics in comparison to only 14 countries in 1896 games. The Olympics are held at regular intervals of 4 years. The venues are as the list of Summer Olympics here. 1896 it was hosted in Athens, Greece. 1900 Paris, France. 1904 St. Louis, USA. 1906 Athens, Greece. 1908 London, England. 1912 Stockholm, Sweden. 1920 Antwerp, Belgium. 1924 Paris. Then France, it's in France. 1928 Amsterdam, Holland. 1932 Los Angeles, USA. 1936 Berlin, Germany. 1948 London, England. 1952 Helsinki, Finland. 1956 Melbourne, Australia. 1960 Rome, Italy. 1964 Tokyo, Japan. 1968 Mexico City, Mexico. 1972 Munich, Germany. 1976 Montreal, Canada. 1980 Moscow, Russia. 1984 Los Angeles, USA. 1988 Seoul, South Korea. 1992 Barcelona, Spain. 1996 Atlanta, USA. 2000 Sydney, Australia. 2004 Athens, Greece. 2008 Beijing, China. 2012 London, England. 2016 Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. And 2020 Tokyo, Japan was scheduled in 2021. Due to pandemic, it was organized in 2021, and then now 2024 it is scheduled to be in Paris, France, and then 2028 Los Angeles, USA. And the important thing which we should know is 1940 and 1944 Olympics were not conducted due to World War II. 1940 and 1944 Olympics were not conducted due to World War II, and we know we were a bit frightened about 2020 Tokyo, but they really organized very well with all SOPs being followed. And our Indian teams, hockey, which is a national game, boys team were third position and girls team were fourth position. Both the teams entered semi-finals, and many more achievements. We'll be discussing about Indian achievement in later videos. The winter games include events like archery, athletics, badminton, basketball, boxing, football, golf, gymnastics, handball, hockey, judo, swimming, shooting, table tennis, water polo, weightlifting, wrestling, etc. So this is for today, and tomorrow we will discuss about Paralympic and Special Olympics. Thank you all of you. Share it, like it, and subscribe. Thank you.